It's a metrology company. We're a distributor. We sell different metrology equipment for different applications. So the hexagon arm is just one example that it's good for a particular range of applications. Get a scan as far as the arm reaches. As long as the tripod stays still, we're going to get a very accurate scan, which is roughly within 100 micron accuracy. Whenever we want to capture more details, like the little mounting holes, we increase the resolution of the scanners. Then we can capture the small features on the part. What we do is we do a leapfrog. We move the scanner to a new position, we move the device in the software so the software knows we're moving. We do a new scan, and we make sure that we have enough overlapping scan data between the two scans, so then we can do what it's called a surface best fit alignment. The overlapping scan data will be used to give you very accurate final mesh.
So for chassis, after we've manufactured our monocoque, we can determine the geometric accuracy of our final car, where the suspension points are in relation to what we've designed, and using that we can determine how our vehicle will behave. Oh, hey,